Let's be real, it wasn't.
Meet me in the outside
Smoothly.
room so we can go
Okay.
find racist Donald Douglas.
Outside?
I mean, well,
Oh,
you know,
okay.
the room that goes outside. I want to go find racist Donald Douglas.
Should we explain to the viewers what races Donald and Douglas are?
I will let you explain.
Last time I played this in the video, I was on my Xbox and it runs smoothly. Now I'm on my computer. It poops itself 10,000 times.
Oh, yeah.
On.
We're gonna have double-decker log cars.
Double decker. Oh god. I hear clicking. Clicking.
You should be scared.
Why?
What's why?
Why did you do this?
Oh, what? That?
Why'd you log cars?
Well, I wanted some more, but I didn't have an engine to
You're
do
not
them.
Spider-Man.
I am straight up Robloxian.
Oh, we
Life.
got racist Donald and Douglas.
Yep.
Alright, let me explain the story because I explain. So, you guys accidentally took Neil on the turntable. I didn't mean to do that.
It's kind of funny because the whole reason why they're racist is not even anyone being racist.
Okay. So, the reason why we call Blue Donald and Douglas racist Donald and Douglas, because you guys remember the last video we did in this game? Well, before we started recording that, we were playing with our friend Fergus Fan One, the guy that we cause chaos for. And Gannon said Ferg was Scottish while he was in Blue Douglas, and then Ferg was like, "No, I'm Irish," and called him racist. So we just started calling Blue Donald and Douglas racist Donald and Douglas. That's the story. Let's go to the bathroom. Streamlining.
Oh no! Wait. Number 9. I got you.
Oh!
Yay! Re-rail.
Yo!
Going into the bathtub, and then we'll take a short trip to the toilet. No!
Racism has been put to an end.
We'll drive Chunky Thomas and play Warren Thomas.
You
Or I'll just slide on the ice.
just completely ignore. I'm going.
Wait. Wait for me, Ugly Thomas. I'm gonna get Fat Thomas. Also known as
Hey,
Chunk.
don't call that Thomas fat. That's the Thomas I have.
Exactly.
I gotta leave quickly.
You trying to trick me?
Oh god, I missed it. Oh, I'm
Like,
just trying to.
oh.
What?
We can get out of this.
No, we can't. I'll get the Thomas that I have in real life, which is this chunky boy.
I'll get the one I don't have in real life, which is this one, the skinny.
Why did you do that? You hit my
I didn't mean
Thomas, and now he's sad.
Hey!
No,
Wait, I'll help.
no.
Give me no. Give me a minute. I'll help.
Ouch.
Let me
Back magnets can't come to each other. Wait, fix the turntable. Fix the turn. Oh god.
I guess no one can spawn a Thomas in here. Wait. If we spawn in more, I think it'll fix the situation. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god.
I'm gonna.
They're retaliating.
No, they're attacking me.
I tried this.
Spawn in more.
Oh, no, if
I
I
need
get
a
near
fly.
them. Oh. I'm gonna step away before my computer dies.
Oh no. Yeah, we can just ignore that. Oh no, I fell through the map.
It is I, the Flying Edward.
The flying Edward. Looks like Edward's a little worn out there. Wait, no, come back. Come back.
Edward took a tumble. Just dropped my
Tumbleweed.
microphone.
Wait, no, Thomas, come back. Well,
Dropped my microphone. Edward took a tumble.
Edward is dead.
Got it.
9, 2, 8, 4, 4. Come on, enter 4. Come on. It's
Tell me
open.
who's in there.
You're just gonna have to come see for yourself. Actually,
Actually, yeah,
don't
I
come in
will.
there. I want to show you something real quick. Here you are.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Ah. Mom said I'm not allowed to talk to strangers.
Well, I'm not a stranger. Wait, come back. No.
Let go.
Actually, I'm gonna have to let go and go solo. Oh no.
Oh. What?
No! Lag! Lag!
Oh. Oh.
Wait, don't
Hold
kill
up.
me.
Hold
Whoa!
up. Ah. Whoa. Taking a ride on my big green track. Enter the code because you're cool.
I'm
Now I steal.
dead. We're both dead.
Not
Zoom.
yet, not yet. Alright. Zoom! Oh god!
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I'm dancing.
Oh my gosh, I made it
Wait,
back onto the
that's not
rails.
fair. That's not fair. Look at me, I'm just sliding.
No, I'm sliding.
Aha,
Take
you
it.
fool. I see you.
I heard a text. Is this the
Wait
right way?
up. Yes.
No.
Dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh frick, oh no, oh
Oh
no, oh
no.
no.
Oh,
Oh, he's flying. What a
I
nice
held
jump.
back as much as I could. I just was almost responsible for a huge crash.
Whoa. Whoa, bro.
Well, bro, can I couple up to
Okay.
you?
Don't touch me. No. Get away from me.
Don't commit suicide.
You can't say that on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I can.
Go chill in that. Chill. No, no, go chill right there. Actually, no. Yeah. Go down. Go down. Go down. Show the viewers how fun it is.
I
Zero goes
wanted
to center.
I
Thanks,
want
take
to
it.
show them. Hey, what? You go the wrong way. No! No, stay still,
You
stay
switched the
still.
point!
I didn't switch anything. Here, stay still. I can get you.
That's
Maybe.
it.
No,
Not.
no, wait, no, no!
Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah!
You're
I'm
making it!
going down! Ah!
And I missed half of it. Now you're sliding underwater.
You can try that again.
But we gotta reset. It's very satisfying. Yeah! Dead train guy. Dead me. So I got one, don't worry.
I did not mean.
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. No, no! Well, there goes James. Whoa.
Excuse me.
Hey,
Sir?
I can't move
Sir?
unless you move.
I'm trying. The door closed. No, it didn't. Let go. No. Oh god. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. Go
Go.
away.
There.
Thank you.
You're welcome, fellow citizen.
What are you doing?
I'm just
You're
following the
flying
track.
upside.
Oh wait. Oh no, sir.
Excuse
Watch
me.
out.
Oh. So, how's your flying lessons going? Oh my god.
I've gotten better.
Sure about that.
And
Can't
help you.
move.
I'll come and help you. Don't worry.
No, I don't. I don't need Harold's help. Reverse. Face troublesome truck. Oh,
Hey,
this is the most anticlimactic chase scene ever.
it really is.
Get away from me. No. Why are you faster than me?
Wait, no. Why is it letting you pass? No.
Alright, I've made it to the slide.
No wait. No, I can't control my Harold.
Whack! Whee!
Whoa!
One duck.
Yeah! I got you somehow. I'm taking
No!
you to the top.
No, not the top. Oh.
For some reason I can't get there.
No, it's not letting me.
No!
Unless.
Unless what, you fly? No! You who did this.
That's it. I'm telling my mom on you.
Wait, no. Not her.
Mom, the Ganon's post from the Ganon's post YouTube channel is bullying me again. Well, did you tell him to stop?
Why
Stop.
did your mom sound just like you?
Well, if you must know, the answer to that question is simple.